Hey guys, it's the Windows Nerd here. Today we're going to be looking at Windows Server 2003. Now, this was actually the server companion for Windows XP. So, as you can see, the icons and the logo look very similar. Pretty much the exact same thing. So, if we go to WinVer here, as you can see, it says Windows Server 2003 Enterprise Edition. Doesn't have much in the way of games. I don't think it has games, but it actually, no, it doesn't have games. It does have accessibility, communications, entertainment. It has Windows Media Player too. It's pretty much all the accessories except the games, but we do actually have administrative tools. Now, one of the main things that you'll realize the difference between this and XP is that by default, themes like the Luna theme and the Zune theme are not enabled by default. So even if you go to properties, it won't let you choose the Windows XP or Zune themes, because you can customize it, but you can't turn the themes that are in regular XP on using the properties menu. What you actually have to do is you have to go to administrative tools, services, where's services? There it is. And then you have to go to, I think it was themes, and you have to and you have to say start service. Now you can activate the themes, and pretty much it's the exact same. You still have the colors. You don't have the Zune theme because I think there's something else. As you can see, the background now says Windows Server 2003. So now the Windows Server 2003 background. We have Windows Server 2003 screensaver, and in the original XP they had a screensaver Windows XP, so they changed that to Windows Server here. What I wonder is, so they don't have many, they just have blank marquee in Windows Server 2003. So marquees that, just that. On the preview it goes really fast for some reason. I mean, you could change it to whatever you want. Alright, so those are the only real, no. So actually those are the, and also by default it's not, there's no background. So I'm just going to stop. I'm just gonna go back to everything how it was. So put themes to disabled. So we do have like Windows Server 2000, which we took a look at in the last video. No, the last video was just Windows XP. So the episode before Windows XP, 2 episodes ago, we looked at Windows Server 2000, and like Windows Server 2000, we have many administrative tools. such as remote desktops and services, of like we just looked at. Services, actually, and event viewer, licensing, manage your server. Manage your server actually starts at startup. So many of the what I'm actually wondering is, because I don't actually know, if now see, look, my computer, the file explorer is significantly dumbed down, you know, for performance reasons probably, but so yeah, there is no games on this, which would make sense which would probably make sense. There doesn't seem to be any sound and effects, but there's not much of anything really. We still actually do have Windows Media Player. It's actually Windows Media Player 10 and not Windows Media Player 9, so they kind of gave it an update for Windows Server 2003. So I'm wondering how different is Windows. Alright, so this is actually the Windows Media Player that comes with Windows Server 2003. It's Windows. As you can see, there's actually a more updated Windows logo in the corner here. Corner there. We do have Paint, we have Notepad, we have Command Prompt, we have Calculator, but this is like the old style calculator. So this is a Windows catalog. So I don't think they actually have that anymore because this was from 16 years ago. Accessibility. We still have all the accessibility stuff. We have so cannot manage certificate services. So let's have a WordPad. I know you've already seen this, but we also have WordPad. So yeah, we can just write anything we want, really. This is actually the font I use for most things like text on the screen. Like I just use it for most thumbnails because I recently got actually custom thumbnails on my videos. I recently activated it, and so that's why now if you go to any of my previous videos, they all have custom thumbnails too. So that yeah, it doesn't seem to have sound either, which is weird. I wonder if control panel actually so control panel, I don't know. We still do have Outlook Express. No. I'm wondering why it doesn't have sound. I wonder if it's something in services. So doesn't like sound. Because I wonder if they remove sound for performance or something. But yeah, so we still have Command Prompt. So yeah, I think that's it. Windows Server 2003 Enterprise Edition. Anyway, look, it's my username right here. So yeah. Anyway, I'll wrap this up for now. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.